is the last one. This is the last one.
This is what Dad got. Yes. Welcome to his house. One of each dessert. Are super cute. He made it to Polly. Chip. For cupcakes. I'm so excited. Hello, my beautiful perfect angel besties, and welcome back to my channel. Lucky Girl Carly. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. And if you're not new here, thank you so much for being my Disney pin bestie. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to subscribe down below. Your support not only helps my channel grow, but it means the absolute world to me. Now tonight we have a super exciting and fun one for you, something different, which I always love. We're going to the Disney's Contemporary Resort. We're eating at Chef Mickey, which I've grown up. I'll have to put some photos of my childhood going here because I went here every vacation. My family took me here every single year, so I have a lot of great memories at Chef Mickey. So I love eating here. My dad is in town, and it is my boyfriend's first time too eating at Chef Mickey, so we're all super excited. We picked my dad up from the airport today, and we did head over to Fantastic Pin Go. I didn't film much, but of course I will insert the clips. Look who's here. Jeff's in town, and we're gonna look at pins. Really wanted to find the Pascal brush of magic. Not seeing it. This is what Dad got. Show your pin. He got this one. This is what he was looking for. Good pin day, yay! And probably when this is up, I'm probably on a train in Germany, in Europe, which I'm super excited about, and I can't wait. My best friend, Tina, I love you, is getting married, and we're headed to Europe, so no Pin Tuesday for me this week. We'll have to remember life is bigger than Pin Tuesdays. I'm gonna miss two, actually. Miss the window pin, but hopefully my friend can get it for me. So not a ton of vlogs coming your way, but stay tuned because after this trip, I have a lot of exciting vlogs coming for you, and we got Pintober, babes. Pintober is coming up, and we're going to Mickey's Not So Scary, and we have the Run Disney, so we have a lot of great Disney stuff coming up. So tonight, other than Chef Mickey, no Magic Kingdom tonight, but we'll probably pin trade always, babes. So I'm bringing all the big Pinfolio XL, and then we will look at the new merch, and we're just going to do the Monorail loop, which is the Contemporary, Grand Floridian, and Polly. I can't wait. It's about to downpour per usual, typical Florida stuff. Got the Aurora ears. I wanted to wear yellow again. I had this dilemma in my last video. I need those damn bell ears because they'll just go with all of my yellow fits. We might have to pick those up tonight. Like I said, we'll be merch hunting, so I can't wait. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. I promised that my dad would say hello.
Hello to everyone.
He has some stage fright, but there we go. Cut. Good job. This is Steakhouse 71's. I don't think anything for me.
I know, I traded that one in the other day. It's so cute.
Okay, maybe
Is it the Pixie Push?
we'll do Pegasus for Pascal. Yay! What's that one? Pinboard at Contemporary Front Desk.
How are you? How can we help?
We made it. That's where we're going. Vacation Club. Pinboard. Babe, she's a dud. Last time we were here, we had like the best
Not on this one. It was on
pin trading night. Right now, duds. Okay, did a refresh, put the new ones on there, and then we got that Mickey, Chip, and the cupcake. Great pin trading night here at the Contemporary. My goodness gracious. We got a lot of good pins. We're still working, but we did get Zazu, like I mentioned. Now let's do some merch hunting at my favorite gift shop. I love it. Oh, there's Dad. Oh, I love the gang. Okay, this is one of my favorite gift shops on property. So we'll see what we can find. They even have like a cute bakery here. So let's see what we can find that's new. I'm always trying to show y'all the new stuff. Here's all the sweet treats they got. Dumbo shirt. I don't think I've seen that. It's cute. Ear check, and I said I wanted the bell ones tonight, and of course I thought I saw them and I don't see them. Those aren't them. So how devastating. I got the Auroras on tonight. I am very excited for Chef Mickey. I haven't seen this before, and this is literally darling. Look at the detail. I love this. This would have been an add to cart for me 100%. I love that. I believe that this is new. 40. I don't think I've seen this. Cute. They have this very girly section here at the Contemporary. This is kind of fun. $36.99. A lot of cute girly stuff. Look at Marie. Cute. $34.99. And I saw this the other day, but I didn't. Oopsie. Hold on. I saw this the other day, but I didn't show you guys. It's 60, but I think that's kind of fun too. This one's 60. Also super cute. This one's 50. But I do like it. Cute. Nothing today. What do we got? Contemporary gift shop. Nothing for me. Got the monorail. All the pins here. I believe that we haven't seen this together. Silver. It's $14.99. Other than that, y'all, I'm not seeing much new or exciting stuff. I'm excited for the purple packs, but they don't even have wishables. Let's see if we can find anything else. I don't see anything else. No. Oh, Ethan wants this one. Most magical place on earth. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm definitely gonna be showing you everything, but we should probably start with the best part, right? The dessert. Goofy cupcake. Look how cute. And a Pluto tart. You guys, these are so cute. Oh my god. And cookies, of course, and then all the other desserts. Oh my god. Donald Duck cream puff. Daisy cookies and cream. He did just say that Daisy doesn't meet here tonight, but that's okay. Minnie Mouse, of course. And then Mickey. We made it. We also got our super cute autograph card. Let's do it. Of course, I'll show you all the food that they have. No, but for real, how cute is this? They used to have Chip and Dale here when I was a kid, and he said they don't have them, but sometimes they have Daisy. Not tonight. It is just so cute here, all the little Mickey. We'll do a menu rundown of the buffet. He said they just updated it. So, pasta salad, bread, just all the salad, all the yummy fruits. Hibachi and teriyaki salmon, yum. Then we got chicken and chorizo, pork dumplings, baked potatoes. Oh my god, you guys, we might have to make a whole baked potato, chicken. Then we got the meats, mashed potatoes. Y'all, they got it. They got it all. Pot roast, carrots, chicken pot pie. Oh my god, look at all these pop. Oh, this is shrimp scampi. Penne, asparagus. Ooh, meatballs, butternut squash. Then back to the kids. Chicken nuggets, rigatoni, pepperoni. Oh my god, everything looks so good. Then we're back to the same side, but these are the vibes. I've honestly never really been on this side. It's cute when no one's in here. We made our reservation right at 5, so it's not busy yet. Okay, do I need the Mickey or Minnie smoothie? Potentially. All right, Ethan. First plate. No characters yet. Starting with the salad. And I got some Pinot Gris. Dad's eating. Ethan and Dad are already down a plate. I haven't even started. Pluto! guys recognize that girl in this place? That's me.
You had him in the background.
Smile big. Thank you, Goofy. Appreciate it. Okay, want to get a picture? Ready? Oh, you look incredible. Perfect. Thank you, Goofy. Ready? 3, 2, 1. It's for YouTube.
I thought we could drink from the cup.
Yes, YouTube. Yes,
Sounds like a nice day.
Stunning. Oh. You like yours? No? Do you want to get a pic? 2, 1. Okay, I know you gotta go. It's probably too long. It's for you too. So say hey. Oh, thank you, Kiss. Thank you. Oh, you're amazing. Awesome. Got it? Perfect. Thank you. You know you're the best. Thank you. Have a good one. Perfect. It's a video, so with the chef himself. Thank you, Mickey.
Why don't we all get
Yeah.
Yeah.
Plate number 2. There's Ethan. Can I say chef? You say Mickey.
This is the last one.
Oh my God, that's my
This is the last
favorite.
one. Yeah.
Girl, I just got one from yesterday. Don't watch the chair. Bye, Donald. Thank you. Plate number 3. They have like the Casey's corn dog nuggets. Did you like them?
Yeah.
He likes the corn dog nuggets. I made a baked potato because hell yeah. Had to try one of each dessert, obviously. Chef Mickey board. Little donut, but I don't know if it's real. No 2026 wave bees. That's all right.
Good thing I have it.
And some Pac-Man. Alright, let's do it. Time to go to Polly. I made it to Polly, home of one of my favorite places ever, Trader Sam's. It's over there, but we're not going there tonight, but let's see if we can find any pin trading. Let's do it.
They're like,
We made it.
so sad. It's like eating Chinese.
What a vibe. What's a gift?
Oh, man. Speak to us, Almighty One.
Polly pin board. Anything good? Don't think so. Anything good? This one's interesting. What is this? All right, we're gonna take this one and we put that one on.
Up closer.
One step closer. Okay, we'll take Azazu since you have so
All right.
many.
Yeah.
What do we got?
I have some trivia pins here too.
Oh heck! Oh my God, you guys have some overwhelmed. Okay, let's do some trivia. Who first?
Okay. Do you know how much Lilo paid for Stitch? It's a very low.
Isn't it $1?
A little high.
Damn, I really thought I was really confident. I was like, it's $1. $5?
Lower.
$2?
Yes, too.
$2? Yeah, I remember her saying that. Those are cool. Okay, I'll trade you for sure stuff. We'll do Bubble Wand. I've never actually seen this movie, so who's better?
Have you seen this movie?
Yes.
Who do we like better? Who's better?
Oh, I don't. They're
We
like
don't know?
both annoying kids.
All right, we'll take this kid. Okay,
got 3
yes,
little triplet brothers.
we're doing good with. I keep finding these, and my dad likes those. Well, who is this? Chip for cupcake. Let's do the first one.
You want some trivia?
What do we got?
What are the name of the Camelot and the horse duo in Tango?
Can you tell?
Oh, okay. Pascal and Maximus. We got their pins. We got them. Okay, what do we got? Oh my God, can I do this one?
Yes, of course.
Do we know what it's from?
It's from Alice in Wonderland.
Okay. Cute. We're gonna do Chip again for Alice. Polly pin board. Dopey. Cute. Next stop.
No one's in the pool.
Wow.
Oh, I kind of want to.
Nobody's
That's
in the
awesome.
pool.
I want to go in. I could literally dive right in there.
See if we can find any good pins. We made it. There's Jeff. Welcome to his house. This is Jeff's house. Did you guys know that? This is your house. Cute. See if we can find any pins.
I like these.
Yeah. Appreciate it. Oh, one fell off. Put it on for you.
A Belle doll? Yes.
Nothing. I love this Mickey and Minnie. They're so stinking cute. This is my last day not owning these. And I'm getting them at the Grand Floridian. I wear too much yellow and pink. So pink, we got our Auroras on, as I'm wearing today. And I need the bells. I need the Bell 3000s because I wear so much yellow and I never have anything to match. So I'm getting these. Grand is not treating us well today with the pin. Nothing. The best firework viewing spots. Oh, she looks stunned. Guy. Look at the monorail. Pins at Grand. Thank you so much. Look how pretty. Monorail line. Okay, my babies, that is a wrap on the Contemporary. We are headed home now. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along and pin trading on the monorail loop with me. And thank you so much for watching. It's been such a fun night. Love you. Bye.
Some imagination, huh?